Ooh, this garage is messy. Alright, got a little something new. First official mod of the car starting today. Picked up Rola basket for the roof. Yeah, get this started. I gotta wait for another package though. Apparently these baskets kind of suck with their weatherproofing and have a lot of rust problems. I ordered some silicone to cover up some of the gaps. Some heat shrink should be coming in today, and then we can get started on that. It's a heavy boy. It's a thick boy. Sick. Powder coat doesn't look too bad. The sticker's already coming off. Oh, that's all right. that's coming off. I'm thinking, okay, that's gonna bug me. I'll take this off in a little bit. Some Goo Gone. Powder coat doesn't look too bad. I could probably weld better than this. See the welds on the Thule. I mean, they're not that great either. Oh, fairing doesn't look too bad. Fairing doesn't look too bad. Can I take this off? Yeah, that's not coming off. Might have to cover that with a sticker. There's already scratches on it though. Did I do that? Whatever. These are your attachments. I don't know about that though. It's already, some of the paint's already coming off, but doesn't matter, whatever. There it is, no more sticker. So I'm looking at everything, looks pretty good, but this right here, there's a little dent. I don't know if that's gonna affect anything. Hopefully it doesn't. If not, I mean, I could bang that out really quick. Dude, 150 bucks. 150 bucks. I dug through my stickers and I think this fits literally exactly how big it needs to be. Thoughts? Alright, so I already went in ahead and did this. but there is 2 screws here, one right there, another 2 down here. They come with little rubber grommets. Just put those in. I'm looking at this now and the fitment sucks, and I try to use the rubber gaskets they came with, and all they do, they don't even seal, they just cover up the shitty alignment of the basket. I'm just gonna hold off, wait for the silicone sealants to come in, and use my own heat shrink. It'll probably be a lot easier than using these. Just wait for that shipment to come in and get to it. Whoosh. Got some 2-inch shrink wrap. It's thick sealant. Got a torch for the heat wrap. It's some thick stuff. You can't use lighter like normal heat wrap. You need a torch. Four pieces. Putting sealant on the inside of here. I'm kind of just over it. I just want to put this on. Don't have time for that. Let's just shrink wrap it. This is what the bracket looks like. Finally got it on. It's all measured out, all straight, super tight. It's on there. Looks cool. 150 bucks. 160 with this stuff. But these are the heat shrink is way better than the stuff that they give you. Yeah. Like I said, 150 bucks. 350 bucks. I don't know. Could be worth the extra 200 bucks. I don't know. You decide. I'm chilling. Next is lift. We'll see you guys in a little bit.